What if I told you that eating one meal a day isn't starvation, but flipping a biological switch most modern humans have never touched? Picture your body like a warehouse. Trucks keep arriving. No time to clean. Boxes pile up. Exits get blocked.
That's your body on 3 meals a day. Now imagine what happens when you finally lock the doors.
Today, we're not talking motivation. We're talking pure physiology.
I'm going to walk you through exactly what happens during a 23-hour fast, step by step, so you understand why waiting for that one meal might be one of the most powerful health decisions you can make.
Let's start the clock. The moment you put your fork down, the clock starts.
For the first few hours, you're full. Food is broken down into glucose. Your pancreas releases insulin. Here's the key. Insulin is a one-way valve. When insulin is high, energy goes into cells. It cannot come out.
As long as insulin is elevated, your fat cells are locked vaults. Fat burning is biologically impossible.
Any extra energy gets stored as glycogen, quick cash in your wallet. You feel fine here, but nothing special has happened yet. Around hour 6 to 8, things change. Blood sugar stabilizes. Insulin drops. Your brain sends a signal. Easy fuel is running low. That signal is ghrelin, the hunger hormone. You feel hunger, irritable, and most people panic. They think, I'm starving. You're not. You're just addicted to easy fuel. If you push through, your liver opens the glycogen wallet to stabilize blood sugar. You're not losing muscle. You're not in danger. You're using stored energy. By hour 12, glycogen is critically low. The body has a choice: shut down or unlock the vault. You're a survival machine. So the vault opens. Insulin hits baseline. Hormone-sensitive lipase activates. For the first time in days, maybe weeks, your body burns body fat. You're no longer running on yesterday's bagel. You're running on you. This is where the fast feels different. Hunger fades. Food-based energy is a roller coaster. Fat-based energy is stable. Fat turns into ketones, the brain's preferred fuel. Ketones burn cleaner than glucose. This is the mental lift. Brain fog clears. Focus sharpens. Evolution demands this. The warehouse has been empty long enough. No new deliveries. So the system starts scavenging. Damaged proteins. Old mitochondria. Cellular junk. This is autophagy, deep cellular recycling. Eat all day, it never turns on. Fast long enough, the cleaning crew arrives. Here's the myth. Won't I lose muscle? No. Human growth hormone spikes, sometimes over 1,000%. HGH protects muscle. Burn fat, save muscle. Your body is smart. You reach your eating window optimized. High insulin sensitivity, rested gut, clean cells. You're not weak, you're ready. This meal is not a reward. It's construction material. Protein first, then healthy fats, then minerals and volume. Eat right and hunger shuts off naturally. Build into OMAD slowly. Electrolytes matter. Salt matters. This is for healthy adults only. Hunger isn't an emergency. It's a signal. OMAD isn't just fat loss, it's freedom. Comment below, did you hit the wall at 12 or feel the lift at 16?